Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office, and in this short video I will be showing you how to add items to your My List widget. So when logged into PPO via your home page, you select your Home tab over here. So once I've clicked there, you'll see it takes me to my Home tab where I've got my calendar and My Lists. I'm just going to collapse my calendar so that we can focus on the My List widget. So the My List widget in PPO allows users to create their own lists to keep track of priority items. So this basically allows you to keep focus of items in a single list, whether it's a risk, an issue, a task, a project. As long as the item lives in PPO, you can add it to a list. So by default in PPO, here you can see I have a favorites list, which is empty. I have a to-do list, which has 4 items. Here you can see a risk and a couple of tasks. And then I also have a list for watch list projects. So these are just 3 projects that I'm keeping my eye on, as I know they need a little bit of intervention. The items in the list also has a drill through capability. So if I want to get to my Northern Frontier marketing project quite easily, I just click on that and it takes me to my project view page. Before showing you how to get items onto your list, I just want to explain how to create a new list. So we've got this create new list icon. I'd like to create a new list of items that I want to discuss with my team in my morning stand-up. So I'm just creating that list over there. So let me get into adding items to these lists. So how to add an item to your list. So yeah, you can see I'm on an issue list page, but where we need to be is on a view page. So if I drill into this item, it takes me to my issue view. And here on the right hand side, you can see the save to list icon. If I click on this, I can now decide which of my lists do I want to add it to. I'm putting it into my to-do list. I know this is an overdue issue that I have to get to ASAP, so I'm just saving that. Here I am on a lesson view page, so I might in my stand-up tomorrow morning want to share this lesson with my wider team. So I want to put this one into my discuss in stand-up list. And before I save, when you are on this page, you can also add new lists via the view page. So I'm just putting it into my discuss in stand-up list and saving over there. If I now go back to my home page and I just refresh my list widget, you can now see I have 2 items in my stand-up. I've got an additional item in my to-do. Couple of basics before I end off. Notifications in PPO are by default switched on for the My List widget. So you can either decide to disable notifications, then no notifications will be received, or you can disable a notification for a single item over here. In my feed widget is where my notifications will pop up. So here you can see I have 2 notifications for the items that have been either updated in my feed or, on my list, or if a conversation has been started on any of those items. You have the ability to rename your list. So by clicking on the icon over there, you can rename your list, or you can delete a full list or delete a single item from your list. Lastly, you can also change the sort order of the items within your list. So I might want my product launch project first, then my cash flow boost, and then my Northern Frontier marketing project. There is also no limit to the number of lists or number of items that you can put into a list. So that's the short and sweet of the My List widget. I'm sure you'll find it valuable. Please click on the link on screen currently so that you can learn more about PPO's features. Thanks for watching.